Сайн байцгаана уу? Хишгэ багш байна. I'm Hishke from Nomiin Ger. Today, we're going to learn something very important, the basic sentence structure in Mongolian. I'll try to make it as simple as possible. The sentence structure in Mongolian is quite different from the English sentence structure. Some foreigners even say that the Mongolian is like when Yoda from Star Wars talks. This is partially true, but actually, the Yoda speaks a little bit different order. Let's take a look. So, the English sentence structure is there is a subject, verb, and object. For example, I drink coffee. In this sentence, I is the subject, drink is a verb, and coffee is an object. However, in Mongolian, it's reversed. The verb and object are switched. In Mongolian, the order is subject, object, and verb. For example, би coffee уудаг. In the sentence, I coffee drink. Let's see more examples.
Би монгол хэл сурдаг. Би хоол хийдэг. Би ном уншдаг.
One thing that makes it challenging for English speaker is that you have to wait until very end of the sentence to understand the meaning, because the most important word, which is often the verb, it's always at the end. That's right. No matter how long the sentence is in Mongolian, the verb is always at the end. Sometimes you may be waiting and waiting to see what the subject in the sentence is doing, so it can be quite frustrating. For example, би англи хэл, испани хэл, франц хэл, япон хэл мэдэхгүй. In this example, someone was listing many languages, and you might assume that they would know all of those languages, but the last word was мэдэхгүй, which is don't know. Like actually, the speaker knows none of these languages, but we didn't know until the very end of the sentence. So that is the basic sentence structure, subject, object, and verb. But now let's set the time. For example, I drink coffee in the morning. In this English sentence, the time, which is morning, is at the end. But in Mongolian, it goes like this. Би өглөө coffee уудаг. I morning coffee drink. Let's see a couple of examples. Би орой хоол хийдэг. Би өдөр бүр ном уншдаг. So as you can see, the time is often goes after the subject, and we have an acronym for that, which will easily help you to remember the order. It is stop, subject, time, object, the predicate, which is verb. So remember to stop.
Let's see more examples. Би өчигдөр монгол хэл сурсан. Би маргааш монгол хэл сурна. Би өдөр бүр монгол хэл сурдаг. One thing I want to add here is, although the subject, object, verb order is always the same, the time may sometimes change, depending on what you emphasize. Sometimes you can say the time first. For example, өчигдөр би монгол хэл сурсан. Маргааш би ном уншина.
Hopefully you're still following me. So far we have stop, but let's add one last thing to get a little bit more advanced. Now let's add the location.
Би өчигдөр ресторанд оройн хоол идсэн. Би маргааш гэрт оройн хоол иднэ.
So as you can see, the location is before the object. But if you really want to emphasize the object, you can put the object before the location. For example, би өчигдөр оройн хоол ресторанд идсэн. Or би маргааш оройн хоол гэрт идэнэ. So in both of these examples, the location is added after the time. The only difference is whether it's before the object or after the object. So that is the basic order of Mongolian sentences. Remember guys, if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please let us know. So that's it for now, and thank you for watching. I'm Hishke from Nomiin Ger. Remember to share and subscribe. Visit our website mongolianlanguage.mn. Баярлалаа. Баяртай.